So vlog world right about now, you don't know some there and Carnival are going right now. And he literally are going over across the field. If you don't listen, you can hear the music right now. Okay, him just forward, him just jump the fence. Him gone over the car, we not here, we are going to jump the fence car. He there over the field, so me I look on it right now, right now. Me just going to go in the vlog here because I don't know copyright and be something. So we need even watch copyright today. We don't do none of that today, we have video, everything I want to go give it to you. Normally we can't have video things with music. So all if the video get copyright, me not care. This is strictly for you. You know what I mean? Bourbon upstairs, bourbon ready, me there. Me ready, you know what I mean? Me have to tie up my Jamaican, you know what I mean? Me have to represent it in some kind of way and show it in some kind of way. Me wait for Chabas right now, Jakes and Bingy soon come link with. So we still there, wait for a couple more people and then we jump the fence. So yeah man, we there and we do it for the vlog. Big up my Jesus, up it in. Go bourbon in the building! I Chabas in the building! I run for it 2 years today. We are going down the road! Right now! Where is my soccer team out here? Where is my soccer team? Hold on. I need some girls to come and hold on to the truck. Hold on to the truck and bend over. I want to get some, hold on to the truck. Hold on to the truck. Hold on to the truck, grab on to the truck. We're not going nowhere. Hold on to the truck. Alfred! Right now we're finding cakes in our building. Everybody got a sausage from Right now we jump. I'm commentating famous like here, full of shit. Full of shit. Full of shit? Candy full of shit. Everybody full of shit. We are full of shit. Style balls. I'm giving all you 500 US if you climb that tree. No. Oh, you climb a tree! Climb the tree! What's your mouth? Climb the tree! Climb the tree! Right now we look a bit dirty. Wild friend. Bourbon, where you run go? I dirty crew. What are we dirty out here? Yo, me just get message. Dirty, bad. People are jump out the tree dog. Walk with the birds, walk with the birds, walk with the birds, put the birds in the air, walk with the birds. Bring it. Bring me to the truck. Bring it to the truck. Bring it to the truck. Put it straight in the air. Right now, I'm there. Go on with it. Go on with it. Go on with it. Which way we going? Which way we going? Look how me look. Ladies and children, watch me right now. When the time coming for living. Stretch your pain. Let me stretch your pain. Man over here, stretch your pain. Pain off the stretch. I will not wait up now. Everybody. Dirty. Well dirty.
Look good without makeup on your skin. Sing it out. See when it's about things in the
Right now, we just reached back up for the yard. Yo, we lost GX. We need to see GX last. We are linking back with you now. Me inside dirty, when I say dirty, me mean dirty. Me I go see if me remember how to bathe. While my face dry, my face probably bump up after this car. Boy, I don't know what's in some of my back more than that spray off of me. You like beard, you know? You don't like beard? If it beard, man, oh yeah, some man bourbon. I keep that in the vlog too. Alright, I big up on this one. Yo, me mean me dirty. I'm a back, you know what I see me back. Woo! Yo, me about to go search for something for wear, beard, and then when me beard and get dressed, me link on the box. So up it. The paint come out now, everything. Right about now, me there and me in my room and me actually load on the footage of them. So I just end the vlog right there, so I just edit this. So now have this watch until I go on a different one, you know what I mean? It was a nice to go chill day. Carnival, well, Juve, cause Carnival tomorrow, which is Sunday. So yeah, blessings and respect, big up my G's again. You know what I mean? Up it, mad move.